Eagle fans, we are 9-1 because we have beat the Dallas Cowboys ass. Like, yo, Carson Wentz had 2 touchdowns, no interceptions. Corey Clement, LeGarrette Blunt, Jay Ajayi, my man, tore that field up, my man. Ran right through the Dallas Cowboys defense, man. Nelson Aguilar made plays. Torrey Smith, Alshon Jeffrey. But hey, they did real good. But we got to eliminate the drop balls, y'all. We got to. Because, hey, we do not want to throw any interceptions. Trust me. Now for defense, Malcolm Jenkins, Jalen Mills, Patrick Robinson, Timmy Jernigan, Chris Long, Derek Barnett, Fletcher Cox, Vinny Curry, man. Dude, we got to Dak Prescott's ass, man. We got to him, y'all. But hey, Cowboys still got one hell of an offensive line. But we still got to Dak Prescott. Man, Derek Barnett and Chris Long sacked Dak Prescott, fumbled the goddamn ball. It was taken by Nigel Bradham, returned it for a touchdown. Because, hey, the Eagles doing big business up in Philly, man. Hell yeah. Now, Eagle fans, enjoy this celebration. By Monday, celebration's over. Because we got to focus on the Chicago Bears. Alshon Jeffrey faces his old team that he got drafted by back 6 years ago. Back in 2011. Our fight game got to be good, y'all. Go Birds. Fuck the Cowboys. I'm out.